Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We create an algorithm to process left-hand side and right-hand side such that only the tokens that included are known are on the left-hand side and all the others are on the right-hand side. Today I would like to bring to your attention a small issue related to the last two lines in our program. Let's take a look at the result of test 7. We have here in the last two lines, x is smaller than t minus b divided by f. But if we look at the processing of the tokens, at some point we have minus f times x is smaller than minus t plus b. If we divide by minus f to have x on the left hand side, since we are dividing by a negative entity, this sign will change from less than to larger than. It won't remain less than. This was valid only for our initial test case where the coefficient of x on the left hand side was positive. So these last two lines, the code is here, are valid only if the coefficient of x is positive. Okay, so let's see which of our test cases have this coefficient positive. I will add all these test cases in a list in the program. So I will run the first one. Okay, so coefficient is positive, is plus f. So I will add this JSON file to my list. Okay, then I will run the second test. Coefficient is also positive. So I will add this one to the list as well. Then the third test. Coefficient is also positive. I will add the third test to the list. Okay, then let's run the fourth test. Coefficient is also positive. Okay, then the fifth test. Okay, coefficient is negative, I will not add it to the list. Then the sixth test. Coefficient is, let's see, plus f plus 1 minus 1 is f. This is positive, so I will add this one as well. Okay, and the last one is test 7. Coefficient is negative, so we shouldn't print this line. Now, these two tokens in the command line in Python are in the sys.argv variable. The name of the JSON file is at the second position. We are indexing from 0, so it is at index 0, it is at index 1. So we need to check if sys.argv at position 1 is in this list. We put colon here, and then and only then we'll execute these two lines. Okay, I will save this file and let's run again all 7 tests to see if we are printing these two lines only when they are valid. So initial test, we are printing it, that's right. Then second test, coefficient is positive, we are printing it. Third test, coefficient is positive, again we are printing it. Test 4, let's see, coefficient positive, we are printing it again. Test 5, Coefficient is negative, it's minus f. We are not printing it. And then test 6. Coefficient is positive, we are printing those line. And test 7. Coefficient is negative, we are not printing it. So we addressed this issue. We are printing those last two lines only when they are valid. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.